Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here in my studio in New York City with Marissa. And today we're going to make some portraits using one of my favorite modifiers that I think a lot of people don't use so often, and it's a lantern. So this is a lantern from Chimera. Use them a lot in filmmaking, kind of to cover wide parts of scenes, and I've used them before in videos kind of as background lights, but today I'm going to use it as like a portrait light, and we use it a couple of different ways. So this is basically a giant diffused ball, kind of like a softbox with a light inside, and I have the Profoto up there. And essentially, I have this mask on the back because if I'm photographing Marissa on that side, why waste all this light, right? So I'm blocking this off. So we'll start here anyways. We just have the background here, single light shot. Let's have you go to your position and we'll take a look. So I've got her here, it's like a 3/4 shot, 85mm lens. Take a shot and see what the exposure looks like. Here we go. Cool. You see how nice and creamy that light is? Lights are up. Now there is fall off clearly because the light's above her, so we're getting shape to her face. Everything looks good. Look at the way that the lips look with the shadow underneath it. Everything looks really nice. So we'll shoot a few like this. Get some variety here. Good. Nice. Good. Oops. Good. That's it. Good. A little wide with the arms. You're getting a little bit, there we go, come in, yep, there we go. That's it, a little like that is good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now just do somewhere, do like the crossed arms, I kind of like that, yeah. And then looking up, good. So we can see here, right, how nice this is, good. Creating a nice shape to the face. Now, this is creating kind of a moody shot, right, because we've got some good fall off and some good kind of beauty light, and I do have white floors to my studio, so it's working really nicely. However, if you don't have white floors, but you want it to be a little bit more even, you know, and mess with it a little bit, what we could do is we could add a little fill. And the best way to add a fill to this, I think, is to remove, right, this baffle. So what's going to happen is light's going to bounce out this side. Now we're going to lose a little bit, but we're going to basically get it back by bouncing it in. And what I'm going to do is add just some V-flats. So you could do it with regular, you know, small pieces of foam core. You could do it a lot of different ways. I'm in a studio, so it's easy enough for me to bring these in, and I have all this light coming over here, so I'm going to do this. This is just V-flats from V-flat World. And we're going to bring these over. Kind of bounce this light back in. This is also good protection if the model's going to come charging at you. You can, you know, have some shield here, so just in case. So I'm just going to take a shot as is. I may need to bring the power up a little bit, but we'll take a look. Let's see. All right, we'll take a peek. Cool. So we can see, kind of get a comparable shot. Look at our contrast levels, right, between here and here. Now we have nice fill. So this is a flatter light, but it still has that same mood, right? We have some shape, but not so much contrast. Lowers the contrast, that's what our fill light should do. And again, this is just a single light shot. 500 watt second light. I think I'm maybe about a little bit less than, maybe like a quarter power or so on the light, basically. That's it. Ooh. Good right there. And this is nice for a nice 3/4 shot, you know, just like that. Clearly you could use this even if you wanted to make like a portrait, like a full length. Full length would be a little bit harder because you definitely have fall off. But for anything up to about 3/4, I think this is a pretty good system to work with, right? Just like that. And just to show you guys, because I said it, I'll come in and make a tighter shot. Get my cable. Make one tighter shot. Cool, cool, cool. Just like that. Let's see what that looks like. That's good. Here we go. Let's take a peek. How's that look? Yep. Nice and simple. Look at how beautiful the eyes look. Shape to the face. Perfect. We'll shoot a couple like this and we'll wrap. Right? Easy as that. And this is super flattering, so it's good for a lot of different types of people. Yeah, for ugly people like Marissa. Yeah, exactly. It's definitely there we go. That's good. Let that hold. Boom. Good. Focusing on the eye here. right like that. Bring your head up like you just had it. Good, right there. That's it. Good, good. Ooh. Good. One more. Last one. Good. Fantastic. Okay. Yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby. So we'll put this out of the way. All right, so there you go, right? Single light. I know you guys like single lights, right? You like single lights?
Yeah.
Single lights are great. Really easy. Any flash really can go in this. This is, I think, the large size lantern. They make a lot of different ones. You can look into them. You can also use, if you're on a smaller budget, you can use like a paper lantern. And I actually did a video a while back where I compare the two. Yes, there's a reason to buy this, but yes, it's not cheap. So it's a good option if you already have a softbox to change things up a little bit. It's a good option for beauty. It's a good option for filmmakers as well. So take a look at lanterns, I think, right? And then you can be cool too, because everybody uses a softbox, right? You show up at everybody's studio, like who's using a lantern? Nobody. So you use that lantern, it's like, what? And then you look cool. So thanks for watching, guys. I will put Marissa's information in the description so you guys can follow her. Be sure to follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. Subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you next time on set.